So there are a few days to go now before I embark on the TourdeForce, which is a charity bike ride around Dyfed-Powys Police. I'm going to be cycling 500 miles in 5 days, going around all of the 41 police stations in the Dyfed-Powys area. And you might be asking yourself, well, why are you doing that? Well, I'm actually doing it to relaunch a charity. So I'm relaunching the charity, which is called Dyfed-Powys Diogel. And Dyfed-Powys is a charity that will be run within Dyfed-Powys Police, and as one of the trustees, we're looking for that money then to go back out to the community. So there's a Just Giving page, and I'd be very grateful if you would sponsor us on this charity ride. I'm being supported as well by a couple of operational officers, and we're all doing it in our own time. So the charity will be relaunched. There's also an opportunity for me to engage with the community and get on my bike really and go around the force area. I'm really looking forward to it. Perhaps should have done a little bit more training. But we'll have some fun, we'll engage with the community, and the important part is the charity that's being relaunched. So Dyfed-Powys Diogel, and please have a look at the Just Giving page and spare us some of your funds that we can then reinvest in our communities. Thank you.